Blonde hair is a dream, but let's face it, it's a high-maintenance nightmare, both for your wallet and your schedule. But what if there was a way to stretch those salon visits without sacrificing that fresh, glowing color? Enter the low-maintenance blonde technique I recently tested, the root smudge. And let me tell you, it's a game-changer. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it really as low-maintenance as it claims to be? I headed to Neville Hair Beauty in Belgravia to consult with color expert James Howarth and find out. For anyone craving lighter locks, whether you're a brunette dreaming of blonde or a natural blonde battling dullness like me, the struggle is real. Salon visits feel like a never-ending cycle. In a perfect world, we'd have a solution to extend that fresh color without the constant upkeep. That's where the root smudge comes in. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just for blondes. This technique is for anyone looking to add lighter shades to their natural hair, regardless of their starting point. So, what exactly is a root smudge? According to James, it involves applying a toner that's lighter than the roots, but darker than the highlights, creating a seamless blend of colors. Think of it as a magic wand that softens the harsh regrowth line, leaving you with a natural, diffused finish. For my fair natural base, James kept the toner application minimal, focusing on a subtle root blend. For darker hair, the smudge can be extended further down the strands for a flawless root to highlight transition. The beauty of this technique, it's customizable. Want more contrast? You got it. Need to push your next salon visit further? No problem. Here's how it went down. We started with my usual bright highlights, applied in fine sections and foiled. After removing the foils, but before washing, James carefully applied the toner directly to my roots, letting it develop for 3 minutes. He then added extra toner around my hairline for an extra pop, leaving it for another couple of minutes. The rest of my roots got a 6-minute treatment before rinsing. Unlike previous appointments, where I juggle blonde highlights and lowlights for a natural regrowth effect, James emphasized simplicity. The fewer colors you use, the more natural it looks, he explained. Bright highlights and a soft root blend are all you need. The results? Instantly noticeable. My pre-smudge hair had 5 months of growth, looking flat and lackluster at the roots. Post-smudge, my blonde was brighter, fresher, and more dimensional, with a subtle softness at the roots that'll grow out seamlessly. It's the brightness I love, but with way less upkeep. But here's the controversial part. While James claims it's low maintenance, does it truly break the salon cycle? I'll let you decide. Maintaining a root smudge is surprisingly easy. James recommends a clarifying shampoo once a month to remove buildup or a metal detox treatment to cleanse hair of water-deposited minerals. Purple shampoo lovers, take note. James suggests using it no more than once a month. And this is where opinions might differ. Is limiting purple shampoo use a deal breaker for some? Let me know in the comments. The takeaway: if you're tired of the relentless salon cycle but love lighter hair, a root smudge could be the cost-saving, low-maintenance solution you've been waiting for. But is it too good to be true? I'll leave that for you to debate. What's your take on balancing maintenance and the look you love? Share your thoughts below.